Okay, this is the Year 8 Maths test, the third test for Term 1 for 2008. Now we'll begin with the Mentals page, the page of Mentals. I can get it, there it is, because that's the first one you'll get on the test morning. And we'll start at the top, just try and keep you away. I won't be able to put the whole page in the frame at any one time, otherwise it'd be too small. So I'll just put about 5 questions at a time in the frame. So the first question. Well, according to the rule of BIMDAS, and you remember BIMDAS, rule of order, brackets, indices, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we do the multiplication first. 7 times 4 is 7 fours are 28, and then we go back to the beginning, 2 plus 28, so I put 28 at the top there. 2 plus 28 equals 30. Right. 400 by 50, well, we forget about the zeros for a minute and just go 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we go back and count how many zeros there were in the question. 1, 2, 3 zeros in the question, so we carry those zeros across to the answer, so 20,000. Alright, -5, add -6, adding a negative is the same as subtracting. -5, take or subtract 6 is -11, and then adding 2 back again leaves it at -9. -9. Alright, now here's a question where we need BIMDAS again, because we've got more than one operation. We've got subtraction and division, so we have to decide which one to do first. Now the rule of BIMDAS tells us, rule of order tells us to do the multiplications and divisions first. Alright, so we do this first. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then -3 subtract 3 takes us down to -6. Righto, 100 minus 43. Well, 100 minus 40 takes us to 60, and then take off the extra 3 takes us to 57. Now, 2AB times AB, when we're multiplying like this, we multiply A times A, B times B, and the 2 by the AB. So we've got 2 times, there's 1 there effectively, 2 times 1 is 2. Now, A times A is A squared, and B times B is B squared. So 2 times A times B times A times B. So, or 2 times A times A times B times B. And I've just written them as A squared and B squared. Alright, 8 17s. Well, 8 10s are 80, plus 8 7s are 56, equals 136. Right, 82 minus 30, well 82 minus 36, 82 minus 30 is 52. 52 minus 6 is 46. Right, again we have more than one operation, type of operation here, so let's write out a BIMDAS rule. We've got brackets, we've got no brackets here, but we do have indices here in this question. 2 cubed, 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2. So we have to do the powers first, or the indices first. Now 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. and 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. 8 times 9, 8. Now we do addition and subtraction. So now we do the subtraction. 8 subtract 9 takes us down to -1. Right. I think it's probably easiest, since I'd go about explaining this in class this way, I'll write this as a fraction. 2 over 2400, or 2400 over 30. Now those zeros will cancel. That just leaves us 240 divided by 3, or 24 divided by 3 is 8, and there's still the 0 to be carried across, 80. You may have done it a completely different way to that, and that's fine, provided you got 80. Well, that's the